a honeysuckle along Granny's fence, and a place where everything made more sense. Clothes on a line, country in the air, supper on the table as a family we share. Stories of our days, struggles and strides over food from the garden and homemade lemon pie. A time when I never felt alone. I want to go back to the place I call home. Home's where the heart is, no hard times or hardships. Home's where we take all the troubles we mend. Home's where we go, if where the wind blows. Home's the beginning, home is the end. I can still catch the scent on a hot summer's day. Black bears on the bush and fresh cut hay. Daddy on the tractor, we were all in the yard, shucking corn till dark when times weren't so hard. We laughed and cried, sing hymns and say grace. If I'd only known then the love held in that place. Fried okra and green beans, strawberry jam. Let's travel back to the place, made me who I am. Home's where the heart is, no hard times or hardships. Home's where we take all the troubles we mend. Home's where we go, safe place I know. Home's the beginning, home is the end. Home, home, take me back. Home, home, take me back home. Home's where the heart is, no hard times or hardships. Home's where we take all the troubles we mend. Home's where we go, the safest place that I know. Home's the beginning, home is the end. Home's the beginning, home is the end. Home's the beginning, home is the end.
Church bells ringing in the distance, tractor fired up next door. Squirrel chasing after another squirrel. Could ask for anything more. Could ask for anything more. Cool wind blowing upon my face, birds chirping up the storm. Green beans and onions steaming away. Could ask for anything more. Could ask for anything more. Anything more. Anything more. Calm of the pond, cows grazing on the bank. Some would say, what a bore. Long drag off my nicotine. You could ask for anything more. Could ask for anything more. If I ever do see St. Peter standing outside some lighted door, I reckon I'll tell the man it's all good. Who could ask for anything more? Anything more. Life's simple pleasures are often easy to ignore. I breathe in, I breathe out. Who could ask for anything more? Who could ask for anything, boy. Anything more, anything more, anything more.
I'm drinking kerosene, smoking road flares in between. No, I ain't too keen on coming back here real soon. 'Cause I burn up so much oil and tasted poison from your soul. There's too much trouble and toil, so I'll be out of here by noon. Ever since I can remember when I've been dealt a losing hand. Don't blame it on that, my friend. They said I'd made my bed. Beds were made and cards were dealt. Never mattered much how I felt. Just put another notch in the belt and them thoughts in the back of your head. It's the way life treats me, way I treat life back. It's hard to find your way back home when you don't know where you're at. There's places I have been that I don't ever want to go again, where the sun stained my skin and the road has burned my feet. Waiting on the page to turn will always ensure you get burned. Well, I'll never learn, so for now I think I'll cheat. I'm drinking kerosene, smoking road flares in between. No, I ain't too keen on coming back here real soon. I burn up so much oil and tasted the poison from your soul. There's too much trouble and toil, so I'll be out of here by noon. Drinking kerosene and smoking road flares.